When companies talk about improving their sustainability, there's a difference between net zero emissions and carbon neutrality. In this series of short videos, A Priori is giving you a complete primer on everything you need to know about sustainable manufacturing. Subscribe to A Priori's channel to make sure you get the next video in the series. What is the difference between net zero emissions and carbon neutrality? Carbon neutral describes an organization, operation, or product which balances its carbon emissions through the purchase of carbon offsets from an external organization. Net zero refers to an organization, operation, or product which targets internal abatement of emissions without financing external offsets. Regulations focus on carbon neutrality and so create economic incentives to reduce emissions so that companies can sell excess carbon permits. A net zero target, on the other hand, creates greater pressure for an organization to reduce emissions directly within its own supply chain. A Priori gives manufacturers digital tools to implement sustainable manufacturing. To learn more, visit apriori.com/sustainability. And don't forget to click on the link below to subscribe to get the next video in this series.